What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. So let's get right into putting this bumper onto this Z5 mower. Now, step one is going to be removing these two bolts here on your bottom frame piece. Now, you may have a rear hitch right here as well. These are all going to take a 13 millimeter to take loose. So you need to bust out that ratchet, 13 millimeter socket, and take these two bolts loose first. Now, once you get these out, you want to make sure and save these because the bolts that come in the kit are going to be used for mounting it to the side and also to be able to mount your hitch back to the new bumper once you have it. But you need these long bolts to mount that through the frame, so make sure you do not lose the bolts that you take loose here. Now, next is going to be mounting the bumper on to the back. So what we're looking for is, if you can see right here, this tab piece here, this is where the hooks on our bumper that we see right here on either side, that is where this hook is going to rest. So what we want to do is go ahead and get this put onto the frame up here, get that up and over that tab, get that rested into place, and do the same thing on the other side. Once we get that locked into place, all we need to do is install a bolt that comes with the kit right up here. So in this, we need to go in with our carriage head bolt that comes in the kit, as this is going to have the square neck here. This is a carriage bolt. We need it to line up with the square hole here in the frame of our bumper. So we're just going to put that in, line that up, and then put the nut in on the back side. Now, we're not going to tighten these up first. You just want to get these in place first. That way it does not move from this spot. So get that hand tight on this side and then do the same thing on the other side as well. Now, once we have everything in place up top, now we can go back in with the bolts that we took off, and they are going to go through our bumper, through our frame, and all the way back out of the mower. So you don't want to tighten up those top bolts, because as you saw here, you may have to raise up on the bumper just a little bit to get it into place and to get everything to line up, or we can get those bolts and nuts started back down here on the bottom. Once you've got those started, now we can go back and tighten this up once again using that 13 millimeter. And you want to make sure and get these good and snug, because this rear bumper is also going to be where you're going to remount your hitch if you have one, or if you decide to add one, and also your rear attachments are going to mount off of this rear bumper system. Then last but not least, we just need to tighten up those top nuts on either side to make sure that everything stays good and tight on this assembly. And just like that, you have the rear bumper assembly and now all the equipment here at the rear that you would need for those rear attachments. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if this is a part that you feel like you need for your Z5 mower, this is going to be part number BUC10851. You can go and find that at 247parts.com along with any other parts needs that you may have. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.